Hi everyone, welcome to Social Studies class. Already we completed the lesson about the universe. Yes, what is the universe, origin of the universe, Milky Way. Yes, the solar system, planetary movements. Now it is the time for classwork. Okay, question and answers. Turn your page to 167. 167. Top of the page there is bit number E. Bit number E. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. All of you take your classwork notebooks. Make an heading. Make a heading. The universe. First lesson, the universe. Bit number E. Answer the following questions. First question. What is a universe? First question. What is a universe? What is a universe? Question mark. Okay. Along with me, try to complete your classwork. Let us write answer. What is a universe? First of all, make a side heading. Universe. Universe. Just underline it. Answer. The sun. The sun. The moon. The moon. The stars. The stars. The planets. The planets. And the galaxies. And the galaxies. And the galaxies. Are called the universe. The universe. Okay. Here is the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets and the galaxies is called the universe. Okay. Already we discussed totality of everything. Everything means all these are included. This is the answer for first question. What is a universe? Okay. Next, let us write second question. What is second question? Define rotation and revolution. Define rotation and revolution. Define, to give definition. Rotation and revolution. First of all, let us write rotation definition. Rotation. Okay. Just make a side heading. Make a side heading. If you want to have question answer for this question, page number 165, planetary movements. Blue color heading is there. Look at there. Third line. The spinning of the planet. What is rotation? The spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis. The spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis is called rotation. Okay, this is the definition for rotation. The spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis is called rotation. Next, revolution. Okay, revolution. Let us give definition of revolution. Fifth line, the movement of the planet around the sun. The movement of the planet around the sun along its elliptical and fixed orbit is known as revolution. Okay, revolution. Definition of revolution: the movement of the planet around the sun along its elliptical and fixed orbit is known as revolution. Okay, this is the answer for question number 2. Define rotation and revolution. Just note down fast so that we can move to third question. What is third question? Name the planet which is blue green in color. Which planet blue and green? Name the planet. Right here, third question. Name the planet which is blue green in color. Which is blue green in color. Okay, answer. Which planet is looking like blue green in color? Turn our page to page number 164. Page number 165. Page number 165. First line, top of the page, first line. Uranus appears blue green in color. Which planet? Uranus. So let us write the answer. Uranus Uranus planet is blue green in color. Uranus is blue green in color. Why? Due to cold methane gas. Yes, due to cold methane gas, when we look at the Uranus planet from the earth, it is looking in blue green color, cold methane gas. Next, fourth question. What is the Big Bang theory? 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 Make heading Big Bang. To find out the answer, come to page number 163. Page number 163. Origin of the universe is there. 1, 2, third line. It is believed that billions of years ago, there was a big explosion. There was a big explosion. There was a big explosion or a bang, and what happened due to that big explosion? A huge fireball was created. A huge fireball was created. This incident is known as the Big Bang. The Big Bang. This is what Big Bang theory also called. Okay, what is the Big Bang theory? It is believed that billions of years ago there was a big explosion or a bang. Explosion we can call also bang. Bang means explosion. Explosion means bang. Due to that bang, a huge fireball was created. This incident only called Big Bang theory. Next, fifth question. What is fifth question? Read yourself. What does the solar system consist of? What does the solar system consist of? Answer. What are included in solar system? The solar system, this is answer. The solar system is consist of number 1 the sun, number 2 the planets, number 2 the planets, number 3 satellites. 8 planets also given and satellites. Including of these 3 things, it is called the solar system. Also it is called as solar family. Yes. Answer. The solar system is consist of the sun, the planets, the satellites. Okay, the solar system consists of the sun, the planets and the satellites. Next, let us move to question number 6. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? Why is Mars called the red planet? Why is Mars called the red planet? Red planet. Why is Mars called the red planet? To get the answer for this question, page number 164, solar family is there. Okay, from the bottom 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th line. Okay, 7th line, it consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen. Okay, let us write the answer. Mars planet consists of number 1 clay rich in iron. Clay rich in iron. Second one, carbon dioxide. Argon. Number 4, nitrogen. Mars planet consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, which gives Mars its red color. Which gives Mars its red color. Due to these elements, red planet, it is looking like a red planet. Clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen. Due to these elements, Mars planet is looking like a red planet, red colored planet. Okay. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Write a short note on Akash Ganga. Simply you can call the Milky Way. Yes. If somebody asks you, write a short note on Akash Ganga, same answer. If somebody asks you, write a short note on the Milky Way, same answer. Don't get confusion. Write a short note on the Akash Ganga. Akash Ganga. Okay. Akash Ganga, Milky Way. If question is given like this, write a short note on the Milky Way, same answer will be. Write a short note on the Akash Ganga, same answer. Okay. Page number 164, there is answer. The Milky Way galaxy is the home of our planet. First point. First let us make side heading Akash Ganga. This is side heading. First point I am writing. It means Akash Ganga. It is the home galaxy. It is the home galaxy of our planet. Which is our planet? Earth. Our planet Earth. Next, second point. It contains approximately 200 billion stars. It contains approximately 200 billion stars. How many stars are there? Approximately 200 billions of stars. Okay, enough. It is the home galaxy of our planet Earth. At the same time, it contains approximately 200 billion stars. Next, one more last question is there. Name the planets according to their distance from the sun. Name the planets according to their distance from the sun. Eighth question and final question. Name the planets according to their distance from the sun. Okay, let us write the names. How many planets? 8. I am writing according to their distance. First planet, which is the closest planet? Mercury. Mercury is the first. Second one, Venus. Third is our Earth. Okay. Fourth one, Mars. Next, fifth one, Jupiter. Fifth nearest planet, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. Finally, eighth one, last, farthest to the sun, Neptune. Okay, Neptune. This is the list of the planets according to their distance from the sun. First one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Eighth question answer also finished. I hope you complete all the classwork. Okay, thank you.